Welcome to New Mexico Airstream. I'm going to show you how I do a quick level using Andersen Levelers and LevelMatePRO. It's a pretty easy process. If you notice, my pads there under those levelers are pretty beat up. The rocks do destroy those rubber pads, but you need them. You'll see here shortly that I skip all over the place. But anyway, here's the leveler, the LevelMatePRO, and we're going to back up on those. Saw the slip. Just until that left side of the trailer comes up to 0. Lock it into place. Oh, pretty good. Set your emergency brake. Those come with some chocks that you put under the wheels there. I'm sorry, under the levelers. I usually pull forward on these. I was just showing a quick demo. I think those levelers should have, or the chocks should have been in the back. Then I'll chock the other side with regular rubber chocks. And what I like to do is get in the truck and put it in neutral, take off the emergency brake, and let that trailer rest wherever it wants to rest on those chocks back there. That's going to make the unhitching a little less, for lack of better words, scary. It can come loose on you pretty quick. Oh, I'm gonna raise this up to get the tension off those chains. Once that tension is off the chains, you can either use your wrench or just hand. It depends on how much tension you can get off of them. These were pretty loose. I did use the wrench just for show. And then pull your weight distribution bar off. Then just bring that hitch all the way back down. I have a pin in there. I'll have to unlock that. Then you can open your hitch, lock, and bring it up. Now, like I was saying, I leave the chains and brake hooked up to the truck just in case it got away from you. That would stop it from, I don't know, rolling down a hill or something. You see how it came out. Little rough. I probably didn't have the Chocks set up real well. Rolled back just a little bit. But overall, that's as easy as it gets. Andersen Levelers and LevelMatePRO. Quick and easy, and you don't need really any help to get that thing perfect. You know, if you had a level inside the rig, you might not be able to see it, so you'd have to have someone else helping you. But yeah, that's all I got for that. Down and dirty. Thanks for watching, and hey, if this helps, give me a like and subscribe if you would. I'd appreciate it. Hit that notification bell if you want. to know when our new videos come out. Thanks.